I continue to be amazed at the incredible video footage filmed by the Avata 360. I found some more video samples I wanted to share with you. Take a look at this scenery captured by the Avata 360. It is seriously stunning. The Avata 360 gets its amazing image quality with its 1-inch flagship imaging, 8K 60 FPS HDR video, 360 degrees and single lens modes, with DJI's O4 Plus full video transmission, so you can fly with confidence that you'll have a strong signal. The omnidirectional obstacle sensing is even effective in low light conditions down to just 1 lux. This, as well as the integrated prop guards, make it safe for night flying. Amazingly, the Avata 360 also accomplishes this at a lower cost than competitors. Even beginner pilots can capture awesome shots since you don't need to get the drone in just the right position to get the desired shot. It just gets every shot all at the same time. Just find the angle and the shot you like in editing. You can experiment and get creative with all sorts of shot ideas and do it safely with so many integrated safety features. You really need to give the Avata 360 a serious look. What do you guys like best about the Avata 360? Let me know in the comments below.